Hi guys, how are you all? Who didn't come today? I don't see some of you.
But
Neil, Lakshmi is here, but Neil is not in here. Let me remove him.
actually,
Yeah, hold on. Ritu 0K. Okay, that's fine. How are you guys?
I'm good.
Okay. Last week, okay. You know what? You're okay. See, my plan was to give you some Olympiad problems. Can we try? Okay, how were the Olympiad problems last week, guys? Did you do the homework? Did you see? Let's go over it. I have it. I was looking at it, but I had some questions for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma.
After we're done, can we read?
Oh, you wanted to read today? Okay, that's fine. We'll definitely read. Ritu, I am also missing reading, Ritu. See, if I put put you all to read, right, it's really taking away my class time. You see what I mean? So that's why I don't do. Yeah, I really want to read too. I'm also missing. Guys, what is going on with this? Did you all try this Olympiad challenge problems?
It was easy, but
Go
it
ahead.
was
I'm listening to
kind of
you.
easy.
Go ahead. I'm listening to you. It was kind of easy. What was hard about it?
Uh, I didn't really figure about some of the questions. So
Uh-huh.
like the fifth question of all the homework was a hard one.
Fifth questions of the. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. Fifth is always the hard. Okay, go ahead. See, that's what I would like to hear from you guys. Go ahead. Fifth is always the hardest. Go ahead. Other than that, was it okay?
Yeah, it was okay. Like almost everything was easy.
Good to know. Okay. Okay, guys. Without much ado, right? Okay. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay. I want you to solve a problem. Can we try that?
Yes. Yeah. How many?
Mm, yeah. I'll give you maybe 2 minutes. Let me think. 1 minute, guys. What is a great? Okay, you guys don't know factors yet nicely. Okay, okay, guys. I have a perimeter problem itself. Okay, it is the previous year's Olympiad problem. Okay, so I'll give you two problems. I'll put it out on the board. Okay, I'll give you 4 minutes. You're going to solve that. Okay, I will tell you. Meaning, see, after you do right, I'll definitely help with showing you strategies on how to get that done. Meaning easy ways to get that done. Can we do that? So I'm going to give you a perimeter problem that you've already learned. For sure, you know that how to do. Okay. But you need to be a little careful. That's all. Let's see this one. Can I put it out for you? Can I share my screen? Are you all ready? Do you have a pencil and a paper? I'll give you 4 minutes. Okay. We have to end there. Okay. Other than that, any homework, I'm going to give it to you to take home. Okay.
Can I
Let's try
use
this.
a pen?
You can use a pen. Yes. Okay. No wasting time now. Go ahead. 4 minutes. You're going to do both the problems. One is basically a perimeter problem that we already learned. This was in the Olympiad. So next year you guys all can take it. Remember the addition strategy. Please follow addition strategies. Just like that, don't sit and add. It is going to take time. Nevan, there are two problems on the board. You're going to do it.
Okay.
Did you guys get it? I'll wait for 1 more minute. Done, guys? Okay, I'm going to stop you here. Can you send in the answers, please, quick? Oh, good try, guys. Can you send in the answers quick? Whatever answers you have, you're going to put the pencils down. Send in the answers quick. Guys, you have to cooperate with me. Even it's okay, even if you didn't get it. You have to send it. That's it. See, these are things where we can measure our improvement. Oh, Lakshanya, good job, Amma. How did you do the first one, Lakshanya? Rutu, good job on the first one. A good try on the second one. Rutu, Lakshanya, good try on the second one. Nevan, good try on the first one. Neil, good try on the first and the second one. You know what, Neil? You are in a little bit of a hurry. Samhit, you know what you did? There was one problem. I know why you made a mistake on A. I'll tell you. Okay. So, guys, see here. When you see such a problem, right? See, there are only 3 digits. Remember that. So adding is really hard. So why don't you do it like this? This is a problem which is not to be done mentally. So you can go ahead and write it like this and see how the numbers are. Fill the zeros before so that you are not deceived. When you do it, see each of the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Each of the place value, do you see add up to what? Add up to a, yes, Ritu.
They all add up to 6.
6. Yeah, tell me, Samhit. What was that you wanted to say? But why did you write 8? I know why you wrote 8.
I didn't. I was doing each other's ones.
This deceived you.
Like,
You did not
and then
put
I
the
forgot
0. That's
to take
why.
away the 200, the
Yeah, see,
one.
if you had put the 0, you would not have gotten deceived. So this is all amounting to 6. So what will be the answer? 4, 6. See how easily it's done. Now the next one, guys, here they have clearly given, right, 2. Let's do it together. This one was not a hard one. I really wanted you guys to do this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 8, right? 10, 18. This is 8. Okay, let me put it as 8. And then a 2. Write it down like this. And then 2, 4, right? And then 2, 4. And then 2, 4. And then 1, 2. And then 1. So now, can we count all of this? 18, 20, 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
28 plus 8 is 36. Was it hard? Now you know a strategy for this one, right? Aligning them properly gives you the proper result and you can be very quick with it. I'm going to give you a follow-up problem for that if it's okay with you. Meaning I want you to do a follow-up problem for that, okay? Let's try this one. Follow-up problem means a very similar problem using the same strategy that we discussed. That is called a follow-up problem. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. I'm going to give you a follow-up problem. You're going to try it out for me now. Quickly give me the answer. Who gets it first? Let's see. It's a follow-up problem. Not a hard one.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
are we supposed to type it in chat?
Yes, quickly. Sooner the better. I want to see who gets it first. Because it's not a hard one, right? Really, Lakshanya, what was the follow-up problem? Oh, wow. Good job, guys. Lakshanya, Ritu, good job. Samhit, good job. See, you're able to do the first problem, right? See, this will usually the level of the first problem will be this. You should know how to add. Adding strategies are important when it comes to the first problem. Samhit, Rutu, Lakshanya, you got it. Neil, where is your answer? And Nevan, where is your answer? Please, Amma, you have to send it to me quickly. And I have another follow-up problem for the second problem as well. Can I give that? How about this? You should, meaning, see, you're learning perimeter area. We are just drilling into it. That's it. Where is the answer, Nevan and Neil? Neil, what's going on? Did you get it?
Answer. Answer.
Okay, those of you who are done, I want you to do this follow-up problem for number 2. Quick, comma. Do this problem. This is not the last year, but the previous year's Olympiad problems. What's that red line? By mistake, I did that. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I don't know how to do this.
You know to find the area of small figures?
Yeah.
You know how to find the area of small figures? Lakshanya, I'm asking for the 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. You know what I made a mistake on? Ritu, you know how to find the area, Ritu, of small rectangles? Do you know how to
Yeah.
find the area of small rectangles?
Yes.
Then do you think it's still hard?
Mm,
It's easy, right? You just need to find the area, right? I will help you. Okay, I can give you clues, but I want you guys to try because area is very much a third grade topic. When you think about it, find the area of this small rectangle. And then go ahead and find the area of this small rectangle. Go ahead and find the area of this small rectangle. Go ahead and find the area of the small. Go ahead and find the area of the small. Then add them up together. Area is just what happened, Samhit? You're sad?
no,
Neil.
that's a confused face.
A confused face. Okay, I thought you were sad. Okay. See, I am not that good with the emojis. Neil, good job. Nevan, how did you get 164? Ma, it's not as hard as you think. I'll help here. I wanted to be quick. I want to move on. So here, see guys, 2 times 1. Put it out as 2 here. This one is 2 times 2. Put it out here as 4. Then this one is 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3. So this is 8. I will write down clearly like this. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 times 2 is a 12. And then the last one is 8 times 2 is a 16. Now, how do we add it? Lakshanya, how do we add these numbers quick? How do we add these numbers, ma?
So, um,
What is the best strategy to add these numbers? Who knows the best strategy?
you could do 16 and 4 first.
Oh,
Then
nice, Amma. Making it to a 16 and 4 added together gives you a
20.
20. And after that,
Do 12 and 8.
adds to a
20 also. Then
mm-hmm.
you just add 2 to those two 20s.
So what is it?
42.
Good job, guys. See, slowly, it's okay. You will develop the meaning. It takes time, okay? See, we meet once in a week, and if you keep practicing it, it will be stored in your brain. Okay, so it was a 42. Nevan, did you understand?
Yeah, I was answering another question.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. But did you understand how to find the area of this?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. See, let's move on. But before that, I wanted to go. See, really want to go to the next one. Okay, let's go to this perimeter area. We are done, right? I really want you to be able to do this, and you wanted to read as well, huh? Yeah, you can read. That's fine. Today it's okay. Today it's okay, but I don't know. Okay. Yeah, today let's read. It's fine. Yeah, let's read this. How about this? Let me be very honest with you. I will ask you some questions on multiplication. If we read today, I'll ask you some questions on multiplication. I want you all to be good at it. Let me see. Go ahead. Who wants to take up? Who wants to take up this guy? Yes, Neil, go ahead. Oh, Neil, go ahead. And who wants to take up the blue guy?
I'll be that guy.
Sure. Please, you choose. I am not meaning I'm not particular that one should do or anything. We just want to have fun. Go ahead, quick. Rutu takes it. Okay, Samhit, I'll give you next. Okay, blue guy is Rutu, Neil, and then Samhit was also raising his hand, right? Okay, so what do we do for him? Oh, only the two. Okay, let's see. Only the two are traveling today. Samhit, would you mind waiting? I'll give you the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, associative property you can read. Go ahead, ma. Quick, ma. Go ahead. Let's start reading and we'll understand these properties are so important in mathematics. Okay, I'll go over it very nicely, but you have to understand till you go to college and stuff. These properties are so important. Go ahead. Who's going to read? Blue guy.
Me?
Mm.
No, not me.
Why?
Can I do it?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, Amma, you decide. Samhita, Nevana, anybody. Nevan, go ahead.
The dragon. I've been trying to multiply some bigger numbers. That makes things more difficult. Not for me.
Oh, what happened? Ritu is not reading. Huh? Okay, I'll give you Ritu. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Blue guy.
It does use more paper. Actually, some very large numbers are easy to multiply. Example? You know, 3 times 10 is 30, and 8 times 10 is 80. So 30 is 3 tens, and 80 is 80 tens. Right. Now try 13 times 10.
Amma, 1 minute. 1 minute, Neil. Nevan, what is 13 times 10? What is 13 times 10?
30 times 10.
What is 13 times 10?
$103.
130, ma. Just write this number, add a 10, right?
Yeah.
Always you multiply the two numbers. 13 times whatever is other than 0. 13 times 1 is 13 and then add the 0. Now, Ritu, question to you. What is 23 times 10?
Times 10 equals 230.
Okay, now it's going to be a round robin fashion. I really want 10 questions to be answered. Neil, what is double of 14? What is double 14? Double means add it to itself.
28.
What is double of 15? Samhit.
30.
What is double of 13, Ritu?
Double of 13 is 26.
What is double of 23, Lakshanya?
46.
What is double of Nevan? What is double of 14?
28.
Good job. See, you need to be fast. Okay. I really want this group to grow fast with weeks. Okay. Let's see this one. What is half of 64, Neil?
Half of 64, 32.
The next moment, I want to answer slowly. What is half of 28, Ritu?
14.
Good job. What is half of 74? That was difficult, Lakshanya. That was a difficult one. Okay, Lakshani, I'll change your question. What is half of 62? Unmute and tell, ma.
31.
Good job. Nevan, what is half of 44?
Oh, 22.
22. Good job. Guys, here, see, did you see when we went to halves, it was even more difficult than doubling, right? So one easy way, let me tell you. Okay, if you have a 64, right? Remember how many 2's go in 3? 30. How many 2's go in 2? 2 times what is 2? 2. So I always think it that way. But if in case you have a 74, right? The problem is 7 does not go evenly in 2, right? That is the hard problem. You know how you can manipulate numbers? I'll go ahead and show you one. Maybe next time I want you to think. 70, you can split it as 60 and 14. 70 can be split. Always splitting numbers work. And depend on your tens and hundreds. Those are the thumb rules. Now, this half is 30 plus 7, 37. It's so easy, right? Split the numbers. Okay, halving becomes very easy if you have numbers like this. How do you split it? 80 and 14. Half is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So much easy, right? Now I'm going to go on another round, okay? You're going to take turns, okay? Let's see. What is half of 34, Neil? Quick.
Half of 34 is 17.
See how easy it is now? Half of,
Yeah.
yeah, I know. Half of 56 is what, Ritu? Samhit, where are you? Oh, see, I'm not able to see you. Then how will I ask you questions? Ritu, can I help you split it as 40 and 16?
20. Wait.
Good. 20, 16 half. Hmm.
28.
Good, good. Okay, what is half of 76, Samhit? Samhit, no reading now, please. We are also reading here, okay? Only
Wait,
one.
what was the
You
thing?
guys can't multitask. Huh?
Wait, what was the question?
See, that's the problem. What is half of 76?
33.
Good job. What is half of 96, Lakshanya? Split it, ma. Split it, ma. I have split it for you on the board.
Oh. 48.
Good job. See how easy it is now. Let's try 54. Nevan. Split it. 40 and 14. So 20.
14, 14.
What is half of 14?
28, 28, 48.
20.
54. That's 26.
27.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Let's move on. That's fine. Go ahead. Sorry to interrupt reading. Go ahead.
13 tens is 130. I see. You just put a 0 after the 13. Right. So to multiply the 222 times 10. Since 2220 is 222 tens, 222 times 10 equals 2,220. That is a pretty big number. It gives me an idea. If we multiply by another 10, we get another 0.
Do you all get it?
Yay.
Yeah. You didn't get it, Ritu? Okay, see here.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
I did.
You did. Good job. What they're saying is, let's say 22 is multiplied by 100. What do you do, Ritu? You just multiply 22 and 1, 22, and then add these zeros. You can trick your friends with this technique. Tell them you can multiply big numbers. Ask them multiply by 10, multiply by 100. It becomes so easy.
I already know how to multiply by 1,000.
Really? Can I ask you this? 45 times 200. Who can quickly answer? No pen for this. 45 times 200.
9,000.
Good job. What did you do, guys? Double 45. Double up 45 and then add the zeros. You see? You can think of numbers very differently. They are your friends actually. How about 35 times 20? 200. No Neil now. Others. One of the others. 35 times 200.
7,000?
Good job, 7,000. Good try, Ritu. The thing is, you did this. But then you have to add the zeros, right? Okay. How about nice job, guys. How about this? 55. No. How about this? 42 times 200. Anybody else other than Samhit and Neil?
84.
Hmm?
84,000.
You have to be slow. 84?
1,000.
No, 8,400, right? So 8,400. Okay, one more. 23 times 2,000. Nevan is gone. Okay. Ritu, do you want to say 23 times 2,000? Double.
23 times
Double. 23 double. Times 2 is doubling.
46,000.
Good job. Okay, Lakshani wants to answer one more. Let's see this one. How about this? 24 times 200. I want Lakshana to make mistakes. So I reduced it to 200. Let's see. Double this one. Quickly tell me what is that?
4,200.
4,000.
200.
If you double 24.
48. 4,000.
Ah, did you get it? Okay, let's move on. Nevan, no switching off video, Nevan. If you switch off video, I have no idea, and you're too little to switch off video. Go ahead, guys. Read.
Well, 34 times 10 times 10 is the same as 34 times 100. That's 3,400. We get 2 zeros after the 34. Right, and 34 times 1,000 is 34,000.
Good job.
34,000. When you multiply a number by 10, you place a 0 at the end of the number. And when you multiply by 1,000, you place 3 zeros at the end of the number. And when you multiply a number by 1 trillion, you would place 12 zeros. It's the same as multiplying by 10 a bunch of times.
Can I stop you guys? He read it quickly. What is this number? What is this number? 1 followed by 6 zeros is what is that number? Do you guys know what is that?
Yeah.
1 followed by 6 zeros. What number is that?
1
1
million.
followed by 6 zeros. What is that number?
It's actually 1 million.
Yeah, 1 followed by 6 zeros is 1 million. 1 followed by 9 zeros. What is that?
1 billion.
1 billion. See, and this one, 1 followed by 12 zeros is what?
Trillion.
Trillion. So please don't get confused. 1 followed by 6 zeros is a million. 9 zeros is a billion. 12 zeros is?
Trillion. A trillion.
Trillion. Good job. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. It's the same as multiplying. Sorry, Ma. Go ahead.
I already said that one.
Okay. Now Samhit wants to read a little while.
No, I have a question. What's
What is
1 followed by 15 zeros?
15 zeros?
I know.
Go ahead. What is it?
Quadrillion.
Sure, quarterly. You know why? You know how he's good job, Neil. Very nice.
I
See,
know the power
again.
of 10.
So can you tell the pattern? Good. Let's discuss that. Then what about 1 followed by 18 zeros is what?
Quintillion.
Good job. Let's go. Okay, and then 18, 21.
Sextillion.
Good job. Nice. So see, there is a pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this was a million, right? And then by is 2 of that. By is always 2 of that. So billion. Okay, so that is 1 followed by how many zeros? 9 zeros. And if you go to 12 zeros, what happens? It becomes tricycle means it has 3 wheels. Trillion. Okay. And then 1 followed by 15 zeros is, what was that, Neil?
Quadrillion.
Quadrillion.
Quad means 4. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah. And 1 followed by 18 zeros is?
1 followed by 18 zeros is quintillion. Zeros is sextillion.
I'm muted. Okay. 1 followed by 18 zeros is?
Quintillion.
Quintillion. Quint is 5. Okay. Quintillions, sextillion is 6. So let's not go there. At least till here you can know. Okay. Million, billion. Million is 1 million, and then bi is 2, tri is 3, quad is 4. That's more than enough for now. Let's move on. Go ahead.
That gives us 18 times 10.
Mm-hmm.
And 18 times 10 is 180. So to multiply 9 times 20, you just multiply the 9 by the 2 and put a 0 at the end. So 7 times 80 is 560. I just did 7 times 8 and put on a 0.
Go ahead.
5 times 90 is 450. 7 times 4 equals 280. 20 times 6 is 120. 90 times 3 equals 270. What about 90 times 30? If 90 times 3 is 270, then 90 times 30 just needs another 0.
Good one.
90 times 30 is 2,700. It's 9 times 3 with 2 zeros at the end. Right, because 90 times 30 is just 90 times 3 times 10. And 90 times 300 has one more zero.
Good job, guys.
27,000.
Good. Wait. Okay, go ahead.
And 900,000 is times the 30 billion.
Good job. So he counted the number of zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 zeros, right, ma'am? So 10 zeros. So you take it as 30 and 9 zeros. What is it? What is this number?
It's 30 million.
30
It's 30 billion.
billion. Good job. And then what number is this, Ritu? What number is this?
900,000.
Huh?
900,000.
900,000, ma. Another way of saying is 9, 6 zeros.
9 million.
Million. Good job. And then 27 with so many zeros.
27 trillion.
Good job, guys. 27. It's not trillion. 12 is trillion. This one is
50.
quadrillion. This one is quadrillion, right? Go ahead.
900,000 has 50 and 30 billion has 10. So we get a 27 with 5 plus 10 equals 15 zeros. On the end, 27 at
Quadrillion.
on the end, 27
Quadrillion. Good job. Go ahead. Nevan, you want to read now? Can I ask Nevan to read?
Yes.
Lakshanya, you both go ahead and read. So when we multiply two numbers that have zeros at the end, we can ignore the zeros and put them back after we multiply. Go ahead, Lakshanya.
Right. To multiply 50 times 3, we just multiply 5 times 3 and put a 0 on the end. 50 times 3 is 150. And if there are zeros at the ends of both numbers, we count them all up and tack them on. 4,000 times 6,000 is 4 times 6 with 5 zeros at the end.
Go ahead.
240,000.
Okay. I really want you guys to think and do. So 6 places, that becomes a million. So this is a 2,400,000.
2,400,000.
Good. Go ahead.
Here's one you might find tricky. What is 500 times 200?
Who can shout out the answer? What is 500 times 200? Be careful with the number of zeros. Yes, Neil.
100,000?
10 followed by how many zeros? Good job. 10 followed by 4 zeros, which is 100,000. Good job, guys. Go ahead.
That would
Go ahead, read Lakshanya and Nevan.
That would be 100,000.
Good job. So how did they do? 5 and 2, they multiplied 10 and then added these 4 zeros. You see? Go ahead.
You got 4 zeros in the problem and 5 in that answer. How did that happen? It comes from there's 10 you multiply from 5 times 2. You put 4 more zeros after the 10. Aren't you clever?
Good job. Now let's see this one. Okay. Okay, go ahead and read. I want you to read. One of you. Who wants to read now? Ritu wants to read. Ritu and Samhit, can you read now? Go ahead.
I want to be the blue guy.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I be the purple guy? Can I be the green guy?
Green guy, okay.
I want to be the purple guy.
Purple guy. What did you want, Ritu?
I want to be the blue guy.
Okay, blue guy. Okay, we forgot the name. Alex, I think, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then purple guy is Neil.
Grog.
Brown guy is who?
Purple is Grog. And the pink one is Winnie.
Vinny, yeah.
And the green guy is Lizzie.
Lizzie, but the brown one?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead.
Q.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's Miss Q.
Miss Q.
It
Okay, go ahead.
says Miss Q.
Okay. Miss Q. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Did everyone bring graph paper?
No,
Go ahead. Read, I said. Samit,
Winnie,
read.
Who's Winnie? And the purple guy.
It's okay. You can take turns. We'll go read. Otherwise, my class time will go, guys. Go ahead.
I forgot mine at home, Miss Q. Maybe I'll read that if no one reads.
Yes, please go ahead, Neil.
I can share. I have quad world engineering and isometric. What does everyone need?
Okay, shall I read the blue guy or Lakshanya wants to read?
I am the blue guy already.
Oh, no, blue lemma, brown.
Oh.
How nice, Alex. Each student need 4 sheets of quad-ruled paper. How many sheets is that all together?
There are 2 tables, 5 of us at each table, and we each need 4 sheets.
So how many sheets do they need? Can you all chat with me? There are 2 tables, 5 of us at each table, right? And each of them require 4 sheets. How many sheets in all they need now? Come on, say it in chat. I want to see how many of you did it. Samit, good job. Neil, how did you get that? No, there are 2 tables, 5 at each table, and each need 4 sheets. Did you count that 4 sheets? Ritu, no ma, there are 2 tables, okay? 2 tables are there. Each table has 5 of them. And each person requires 4 sheets. Lakshanya, good job. So how many total sheets do they need? Nevan, how come Nevan? There are 2 tables. Each of them need, see, there are 5 people. There are 2 tables, okay? There are 5 people. And 5 here. And each need 4 sheets. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, Samhit, you can tell how you did.
Can I just say it out loud?
Yeah, you can say it out loud.
For each table, there's 5 people, right? So 2 times 5 is 10, and then 10 times 4 is 40.
Good job. So did you all get it? 2 times C. 2 times 5 times 4. Neil, did you understand?
I already sent the answer in chat.
Oh, okay. And Nevan, did you understand? Yes, I saw.
Yes, understand.
Okay, let's go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Vinny. One of you take turn, ma. Anybody can take it.
2 tables times 5 monsters make 10 monsters. And 10 times monsters times 4 sheets each makes 10 times 4 equals 40 sheets of graph paper. I did it differently, but I got the same answer. Each table has 5 monsters. Each monster gets 4 sheets of paper. That's 5 times 4 equals 20 sheets of sheets per table. With 2 tables, that's 20 times 2, 40 sheets.
Good job.
It's the same multiplication problem solved 2 different ways. Winnie and Lily both multiplied 2 times 5 times 4. Winnie did 2 times 5 first, then multiplied 4. Lizzie did 5 times 4 first, and then multiplied by 2.
Did you see what happened? There were 3 numbers, 2, 5, and 4. Okay, the first person did 2 times 5, 10, and then 10 times 4. That was 40. So you know what the other person did? They did 2 times 4, or you can do anyway. 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 times 5 was 40. So when you see, right, for multiplication, right, whatever be the order, it does not matter. Meaning, 2 was associated with 5 and then associated with 4. Here, 2 was associated with 4 and then associated with 5. So here, Vinny, what did he do? He associated 2 and 5. Then the product was associated with the 4. Lizzie, what did she do? She had 2 separately. She associated 5 and 4 and then associated the product with 2. So the association that they made between numbers was different. That is why in multiplication, when you look at it, right, however you associate, whatever be the order of association, it does not matter. 2 times 5 times 4 is going to be the same as 2 times 5 times 4. See, however you associate numbers, it will be the same. This is called associative property of addition. Associative property. Did you get it, guys? Associative property of multiplication. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
You can associate any number with any number. Suppose if I put it like this, what will you call, guys? 2 plus 3 plus 5. Is it the same as, see, 2 and 3, you should always take 3 numbers when it comes to association. Or I can do it as 2 plus 3 plus 5. Are both one and the same, Lakshanya? Are both one and the same?
Yes. They have
Yes.
the same answer.
They give you the same answer. So, this is called, what is this property called? See, this property, I told you, associative property of multiplication. What is this property called?
Associative property of addition.
Addition. Good job. Now, I give you a challenging question. Is there, yes, Neil, go ahead.
I want to show an example.
You want to show an example? Okay, go ahead.
75 divided by 3 plus 5, 25. Wait, what? I don't get it.
Go ahead.
I'll do it later.
Did you write on the board?
I'll go later.
Okay, you'll tell me later. Okay, let's move on. Go ahead. Who wants to read now? Go ahead, Ritu. Green guy was who?
Me.
Yeah, go ahead.
When you multiply 3 numbers, you can start by multiplying the first 2 or But
The last two. Good job. The order does not matter. Ritu, go ahead. You were the brown guy.
no,
But you
I
read
was
it
a blue
last.
guy.
Okay, go ahead. Who wants to read? Nevan or Lakshanya?
I'll read.
Go ahead.
Good, Lizzie. How can we multiply more than 3 numbers? Does the product of 4 numbers change when the parentheses change?
Does it change? Does the product of 4 numbers change when the parenthesis, position of the parenthesis change?
No.
No. So that is called the associative property of multiplication. Okay. A product is the result of multiplication. Product of 7 and 8 is 56. What is the product of 7 and 7, Samhit? What is the product of 7 and 7, Samhit? Okay, who can tell me the Lakshanya, go ahead.
49.
7 and 7.
Product is 49.
Good job. What is the product of 8 and 4, Neil?
The product of 8 and 4 is 32.
What is the product of 9 and 8, Samhit or Ritu?
9 times 8 equals 42?
No. Yes, Lakshanya.
72.
72. What is the product of 8 and 8, guys? Nevan. What is the product of 8 and 8? What is the product of 8 and 8? What is the product of 8 and 8?
No. 64?
Good job, Samhit. Okay. Okay, guys, I see some gap in say 8 and 9 for sure. Okay. So now do you see? So changing the parenthesis, let's do one by one. 2 times 3 first they did, and then multiply by 5. So 6 was multiplied by 5, which gave you 30, and then multiplied by 6 is 180. Here, what did they do? The last two numbers they did 30 times 3, 90 times 2 is 180. You get it? Now, see how they are doing. The middle two numbers they did first, 15, and then they multiplied with the first number 2. 30 times 6 is 180. Again, the middle two numbers were associated with 6, making it 90 times 2, 180. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay. But why are we needing more than one way to multiply numbers?
Why do we need more than one way to multiply number?
Uh-huh.
This is called associative property of multiplication.
Samhit, you can read later. Good job. Okay, go ahead. So who wants to answer this 9 times 2 times 5? Quick. Who wants to answer? I want a strategy here. I want our strategy to work. Yeah, Lakshanya, you want to explain? Go ahead.
If you start with the end numbers, you could do 2 times 5 is 10. Then you do 10 times 9 is 90.
Good job. See, for 2 and 5 are your best friends when it comes to multiplication. 2 and 5 are your best friends. Do that first. Okay, your best friends will help you. 2 times 5, 10, then 10 times 9. You got it? So the way you associate really matters. You're associating this, then your multiplication is easy. But when you associate 9 and 2, it becomes 18 times 5 is so hard. Okay, the association that you make your friends, right, determines who you are. So it's much easier to multiply 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are your friends. You should always remember 5 and 2 are your friends. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this one. That's right. How could you make this problem easier to solve? Okay. Which one? Okay, now who is going to tell me how to do this one? One of you. One of you who is going to tell me?
No, don't.
Nevan, can you try this one for me? Which numbers you will multiply?
So first you do 5 times 2, that's 10. And then 10 times 7, which is 70. And then you
What is the alternative? Okay, you did 5 times 2, 10. And what did you do? Why did you multiply by 7? Don't touch the 10. But 7 times 3 is easier, right?
Oh, yeah.
21. 21 times 10 is?
21 times 10 is 210.
Yeah, shall we wait for him to answer, Manil? Okay, how about this? 3 times 5 times 6 times 2. Who wants to take it? What is our strategy? Lakshanya, go ahead and explain.
5 times 2 is 10.
Uh-huh.
10 times 18 is 180.
Good job. So this is the easiest. Nevan, I want you to try this one, Nevan. Can you try this one for me, Nevan?
Okay.
Associate numbers properly. Be with friends, with good people. Whenever you associate yourself with good people, you grow. Whenever you associate with things that are bad, we degrade. Go ahead. So association is very important. Go ahead, Neil. Nevan. Sorry.
Uh,
What,
50.
what will you do first?
5 times 2 is 10, and then 7 times 2 is 14.
So what is it?
So 5 times 2 is 10, and then you do 7 times 2 is 14. And then you do 10 times 14.
140. Good job. Good job. Very good job. I'm proud of you guys. Okay, now let's go ahead with this. I really want you guys to do this one. How about this? If you want to multiply 5 times 5 times the last one, do you see, guys? 5 times 5 times 9 times 3 times 2 times 2. Please send in the answer in chat. You want me to write it on the board? See, I'm skipping through a little bit here because I want more to be covered. 5 times 5 times 9 times 3 times 2 times 2. Quick, ma. It's not a hard one. Please think of numbers in a different way. Manipulating numbers in a different way is quite important. Amma, send in chat, Amma. I want to really know from all of you this time. Before concluding, I want to know where we are. Oh, wow. You guys really rock. Lakshanya, good job. Neil, good job. Nevan, good job. Very nice, boys. Ritu and Samhit, I need your answer. So when you start associating numbers properly, you'll be so much faster. Even for addition, it's like that. Ritu, where ma? You are multiplying, right, ma, Ritu?
Yeah.
So how did you do? Can you tell me how you did, Ritu?
So first I did 2 times 5, and I had a 10. And then I did another 2 times 5.
Correct. 10 and 10, and then what? You have 9 times 3.
That equals 27.
Yeah, what happened then?
Oh.
What is the answer?
So 110 times 27.
No. 10 times 10 is what? 100. 10 times 10 becomes 100. Now it's easy to multiply these two.
127?
No, 27 goes first. 27 times 1 is a 27 followed by 2 zeros. You got it? Did you get it, Ritu?
Yeah.
Okay. So now where are we with the numbers? Okay, so, okay, can we finish reading this? With that, we'll finish. The purple guy, go ahead. Guys, go ahead and finish.
Of numbers, the commutative property lets us change the order of numbers.
Associative property lets us put parentheses wherever we want, right?
The associative property lets us put parentheses wherever we want. My dad commutes to work with his associates. He commutes. That means he switches places from home to work. Like how numbers switch places when you use the commutative property. His associates are his group of friends. Like the groups of you make it
The associate. See, I told you, right? Your friends, you associate yourself with different friends, right? At home, you associate yourself with a different group of friends. At school, you go and associate yourself with a different group of friends. Pick, yeah, no, we are done. We are almost done, okay? So pick the group of friends to associate properly. Commuting is what? See, 2 times 3, here, 2 will travel to 3's place, 3 will travel to 2's place. That is commutative property. You see, commute. 2 commutes to 3's place, 3 commutes to 2's place. So you can switch the order as well. So that is commutative property. Whereas associative means putting parentheses wherever you want and doing that first. That is associating. Okay, first you associate with a friend and then you associate with another friend. Commute means you travel. His dad commutes to work. So we learned about commutative and associative property. I'll stop here, guys. Give you homework. Please do the Olympiad problems. I didn't see anybody doing it, submitting it. I want that to be done. See you all next week. Next week as well, I have some issue with the day. Let's see. I'll communicate with the parents. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Yes.
What?
No.
No? Then bye. Have a good week.
Bye.
Bye.
On number 21.
What is it, ma?
Bye.
Lakshmi, what is it, ma? Bye.
21 in the challenge problems.
Oh, number 21. You have questions. Number 21 in the challenge problem. What is that? Okay, let me share my screen. Number 21 in the challenge problem. Oh, you did that, Amma.
Homework.
This one you're saying?
In the perimeter homework.
Oh, in the perimeter homework. 21, Amma.
Yes.
Okay. So here, Lakshanya, I'll go ahead and quickly tell you, okay, because I need to leave somewhere. So each is 3 meter, ma. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2, then 2, 3, and then 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, Amma? So here, add all of these. When you add all of these, see 10, and then what do you do? Another 10, 14, right? 14 single units are there, but each unit is 3. So you need to multiply by 3. Got it, Ma?
Oh, okay.
Each one is 3, right, Ma? So you got 14 single units, but each of them is a 3. So you multiply by 3.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Any other questions?
No.
Okay, Ma.
Bye.
Bye, lady. Bye, lady. See you next week. Bye, Ma.